Sophia, I discovered something amazing. 5-minute English exercises work better than hour-long study sessions.
Really? That sounds too good to be true. What's the secret?
The secret is focused intensity plus consistency. 5 minutes of complete focus beats 60 minutes of distracted study.
So it's about quality, not quantity?
Exactly. Today we're sharing 5 different 5-minute exercises. Do one per day or all 5. Your choice.
Let's start with exercise 1, the speaking sprint. Set a timer for 5 minutes and speak continuously about one topic.
Don't pause, don't overthink, don't worry about mistakes. Just keep your mouth moving for 5 full minutes.
What should people talk about?
Anything. Your day, your opinion on something, a memory, explaining how to do something, describing a place.
The goal is fluency, smooth, continuous speaking without long pauses.
Your first attempt will feel hard. Maybe you can only speak for 2 minutes before running out of things to say.
That's normal. Keep practicing daily. Soon you'll easily fill 5 minutes, then 10, then more.
This exercise trains your brain to think and speak in English automatically, without translating.
Exercise 2, the listening challenge. Find a 5-minute audio clip at your level.
Listen once without stopping. Then listen again and write down every word you understand.
Don't worry about spelling. Just capture the words.
Listen a third time and fill in the gaps. What did you miss the first 2 times?
After 3 listens, your comprehension will jump dramatically.
This active listening trains your ear way better than passive background exposure.
Exercise 3, the reading race. Read an article or passage for exactly 5 minutes.
Your goal? Read as much as possible while still understanding the main ideas.
Don't stop to look up every unknown word. Keep reading. Use context clues.
At the end of 5 minutes, mark where you stopped. Write a 2-sentence summary of what you read.
Next day, try to read further in 5 minutes. Track your progress.
This builds reading speed and helps you understand from context without constantly using a dictionary.
Exercise 4, the writing sprint. Set a timer and write continuously for 5 minutes.
Topic doesn't matter. Journal entry, opinion paragraph, story, anything.
The rule is don't stop writing. If you don't know a word, describe it or skip it, but keep writing.
Don't edit while writing. Don't worry about spelling or grammar. Just get words on the page.
After 5 minutes, you can go back and edit, but during the sprint, only forward motion.
This breaks the perfectionism that stops many learners from writing at all.
Exercise 5, the vocabulary power practice. Take one new word and use it intensively for 5 minutes.
Write 10 different sentences using that word. Say each sentence out loud. Create a story with the word.
This deep practice with one word works better than shallow practice with 20 words.
When you use a word 10 different ways, it becomes part of your active vocabulary, not just recognition vocabulary.
You'll actually remember and use it in real conversation.
Now let's discuss why 5 minutes specifically is the magic number.
Reason 1, it's short enough that you can't make excuses. Everyone has 5 minutes.
I'm too busy doesn't work when it's only 5 minutes.
Reason 2, it's short enough to maintain complete focus without mental fatigue.
Your brain can give 100% attention for 5 minutes. After 20 minutes, focus naturally declines.
Reason 3, it's easy to repeat daily. The harder something is, the less likely you'll stick with it.
5-minute exercises are sustainable long-term because they're so doable.
Reason 4, frequency beats duration for skill development.
Practicing 5 minutes daily, 35 minutes per week, beats practicing 35 minutes once per week.
Your brain needs regular reinforcement to build strong neural pathways.
Daily exposure creates faster progress than occasional long sessions.
Now let's customize these exercises for different goals.
If your goal is conversational fluency, prioritize exercise 1, speaking sprints.
Do speaking sprints 5 to 6 days per week, the other exercises 1 to 2 days per week.
If your goal is understanding movies and podcasts, prioritize exercise 2, listening challenges.
Listen to different accents, speeds, and topics to train your ear comprehensively.
If your goal is reading English books or articles, prioritize exercise 3, reading races.
Gradually increase difficulty. Start with simple articles, work up to complex texts.
If your goal is writing emails or professional documents, prioritize exercise 4, writing sprints.
Write different writing styles: formal, casual, persuasive, informative.
If your goal is expanding vocabulary for tests or professional use, prioritize exercise 5, vocabulary power practice.
But here's the key. Even when prioritizing one exercise, still do all 5 regularly.
Balanced practice prevents gaps. You need all 4 skills: speaking, listening, reading, writing.
Now let's troubleshoot common problems with these exercises.
Problem: I can't think of anything to say for 5 minutes in exercise 1.
Use prompts. Search speaking topics, or use these. Describe your home. Explain your job. Talk about your favorite hobby. Describe a place.
The goal is fluency, smooth, continuous speaking without long pauses.
Use prompts. Search for speaking topics, or use these. Describe your home. Explain your job. Talk about your favorite hobby. Describe a place.
The goal is fluency, smooth, continuous speaking without long pauses. Or narrate what you're seeing right now. Describe the room, the weather, what you can hear.
Problem: the audio is too fast or too slow.
Adjust the playback speed. YouTube and most podcast apps let you speed up or slow down audio.
Start at 0.75x if needed, gradually increase to normal speed, then try 1.25x for challenge.
Problem: I read the same passage and don't improve my speed.
Use different texts. Your brain memorizes familiar passages. Fresh content forces real reading.
Problem: I run out of things to write after 2 minutes.
Write anything. Describe your breakfast. List things you need to do. Write about how hard writing is.
The content isn't important for exercise. You're training the skill of continuous expression.
Problem: I can't think of 10 sentences for one vocabulary word.
Start with basic sentences, then get creative. Use different tenses, make questions, create a tiny story, use it metaphorically.
Let's demonstrate with the word bright. 10 different sentences.
The sun is bright today.
Basic description.
She has a bright future.
Figurative meaning.
That's a bright idea.
Idiomatic use.
The room was too bright for sleeping.
Comparative context.
He wore bright colors to the party.
Descriptive use.
Is it bright enough to read?
Question form.
The bright lights hurt my eyes.
Plural use.
This paint is brighter than that one.
Comparative form.
She is the brightest student in class.
Superlative form.
The screen brightness was too high.
Noun form.
See 10 different sentences using the same word family. That's deep practice. Now let's create a weekly schedule using these exercises.
Monday, speaking sprint. Tuesday, listening challenge. Wednesday, reading race. Thursday, writing sprint. Friday, vocabulary power. Weekend, choice of favorite exercise or rest.
Or do all 5 exercises in one day if you have 25 minutes total.
The beauty is flexibility. Customize based on your schedule and energy.
Just commit to doing something daily, even if only one exercise.
5 minutes daily beats 0 minutes daily.
Let's share our results from doing these exercises consistently.
After 1 month of speaking sprints, I could speak for 20 minutes straight without running out of things to say.
After 1 month of listening challenges, I could understand 80% of normal podcast conversations without subtitles.
After 1 month of reading races, my reading speed doubled and I could skim articles effectively.
After 1 month of writing sprints, I could draft emails and messages quickly without agonizing over every word.
After 1 month of vocabulary practice, new words actually stuck in my memory and came out naturally in conversation.
The compound effect is real. Small daily actions create massive results over time.
Now, let's share our results from doing these exercises consistently.
Final tips for success with these exercises. Tip 1. Actually set a timer. Don't just guess 5 minutes. Use your phone timer.
Tip 2. Eliminate distractions during the 5 minutes. No phone notifications, no other tabs open, full focus.
Tip 3. Track your practice. Mark on a calendar or app every day you complete an exercise.
Tip 4. Celebrate wins. Spoke for 5 minutes without long pauses. Celebrate. Understood 90% of audio? Celebrate.
Tip 5. Be patient. The first week is hardest. Stick with it. Week 2 gets easier.
All right, everyone. Your challenge, do one